Welcome to my channel. I'm here to introduce a practical business-oriented course that will help you get started with Pandas and Python from the ground up. This course is designed for beginners to learn how to work with the Pandas library in Python, covering data structures, cleaning, merging, and statistical analysis through real-world projects. By the end, you'll be able to manage, analyze, and visualize data efficiently. With 46,000 students and a 4.4 rating, this course has proven to be successful. The current price is approximately €20. Once purchased, you will have full access to the course and its future updates. The total duration is 1 hour, and upon completion, you will receive a certificate. In this course, you will learn: perform multiple data operations in Python's Pandas library, including grouping, pivoting, joining, and more. Group, aggregate, and summarize data. Learn everything from scratch about Pandas. Gain a deep, hands-on understanding of Pandas data structures. Read data from the web, pickles, and Excel files directly within Pandas. Now, I want to offer you this valuable course completely free and legally. To find out how: 1. Subscribe to the channel and add this video to your watch list. 2. Open your browser and search discountedcourseninja.com on Google. 3. Click on the correct link in the results and make sure the website matches discountedcourseninja.com. 4. Once on the site, browse through available discount coupons and search for this course. 5. Alternatively, use the category filters to find relevant courses. 6. When you locate the course, scroll down and click Get the Coupon. The course will now be available for free, but remember, the coupon has a limited validity. With just a few clicks, you have gained free and legal access to the course. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.